That's right, Ian Livingstone. Not the big, you coming up? Well, then come up, he's right behind you.
Yeah!
And the Soul Man, folks, the legendary Soul Man. Drinking IPA like it's going out of style. Bow to you, bow to you, bow.
Do you mind if I sit here?
Sorry, get down here. Ian Livingstone, the Soul Man on next. Then Anton.
Thank you. Thank you, Soul Man, for coming out to play with me.
I've heard you sing.
as sure as the sun will shine, I'm gonna get my share now, what's mine? And then the holiday comes, the holiday fall, one and all. The holiday comes, the holiday fall, one and all. Yeah, the holiday comes, the holiday fall, one and all. Holiday comes, the holiday fall, one and all, one and all.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, Ian Livingstone.
Ian Livingstone, Bazuki Reggae, the Soul Man, 96-year-old stud. All right, folks, the show rolls on.